Hey there, let's talk about what's new in i4connected's latest version 5.5.16. There are 4 major changes in this new version: the report archive, the online data chart, the new API, and the mobile app. Reports can now be triggered for each user individually, on the spot or using a schedule. All generated reports are searchable by both name and date. You can now create templates for all future reports and use the report browser to find reports and parameters. With data chart, any measured or live values can be displayed as a line graphic on up to 8 lines, each with its own y-axis. Our new API is using the latest .NET Core framework. This allows us to create a more robust and flexible API with no compromises on security. We've also included OAuth 2.0. Using the OpenID connected standard, you can now set up authentication using all supported social providers and enterprise-level providers. You can make your own app interact with i4connected by simply calling the right method from our API. And speaking of apps, starting with this new i4connected version, we're launching our i4connected mobile app on Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. It provides an easy way to collect and submit manual counters data, and it is always available in your bag or pocket. You can use it online or you can use it offline and sync everything once you get to network connection. Check out our latest update at webfactory-i4.com/product/i4connected.